Hello and welcome back to this trade recap. It's actually a trade recap of yesterday. Again, very busy days. Summer actually has been a bit hectic, but yeah, we'll manage to try and do every trade recap. So what is happening? I mean, this week you got into all-time highs. So Monday we created new week opening gap right around here, and with this line was all-time highs. I'm still keeping it for reference, maybe it could be useful. But yeah, I mean, it was actually a loss. I mean, I'm happy how the losses happen. So if your losses are just over trading or overdoing or breaking rules or taking bad trades and everything, that's when they're not good. But winning percentage is never 100%. So even though you can take the right thing for you in that moment, it can also not go in your way. So controllable loss, it's fine. Just part of the game, and I'm going to explain why and maybe how we could have prevented it. So Asia London displays higher. We create a gap below. We tap the midpoint, and you could see that we could manipulate below to take a lot of lows actually. So these equal lows were very interesting, and we reacted from OTE of this range. So take the Fibonacci from here to here was till here. So we retraced to OTE, and then in this case here we inverse, like we kind of react from the first presented gap. The first presented gap was here. So I wanted to see an inversion of the first presented gap before going higher. So here again, react OT, react midpoint. We kind of cruise higher. So the thing maybe it could have worked out better. It was not clear. PA, ES was just like everything was lacking a bit. But we had this good candle that inverts this gap. This gap here was a 15-minute inversion. So price at the end closed above the first presented. We entered here, and we aim for this high here. The high with the fair value gap here is nice liquidity. But yeah, I mean, price just reacted from the midpoint of this 15, and then came back to it, and then basically we chopped for the whole session. Like there was nothing, no draw, no low, like nothing. At the end, my thought played out during PM, as the thing I said in the live during the live, that maybe PM could deliver when price is this bad. So yeah, at the end, PM took again the lows here, took this wick, displays quite nicely, inverse here, and close above the first presented gap. And yeah, this was the closure here. You would have entered here. You could have aimed for the high here, and or for this high maybe, and then for London high was this one. So at the end, the bias was right, this decision was right. It's just the PA wasn't there, and price didn't deliver, because sometimes it happens. Sometimes even it seems that it's chopping and then it actually delivers pretty well. Because usually when we chop and when we get out of the chop, of the range of the chop, price sometimes really is strong and moves really well. So yeah, I mean, that was the thought process, nothing much going in. So it's always how we react from the new day opening gap, how we react from the first presented gap. What session do we take? We had an inversion, we had some sort of low or highs being taken, we had an SMT, we had how the candle are behaving on ES, on NQ, which pair is the strongest. These are all things you have to consider. I want to do more videos on the basic mentorship, because yeah, these are putting everything in place is not easy. I watched many countless hours of videos before actually getting. I remember I didn't know what's order block, how it worked. I didn't get it. But yeah, so I have to do that more, especially for the people that maybe don't know. I mean, I know, and I'm sure not a lot of people watch the videos, but I mean, I have to show up. I have to keep doing it because I like it, and because it could really help some people. So yeah, today I explained very briefly, very fast, what was my bias, why did I took this entry, and yeah, I could avoid it being that we were quite choppy and we made a really good move. It was not like a clear V shape, but yeah, I mean, I'm not that mad about it. I think it was a nice one. Majority of the time, this works. We were also, yeah, we're a little above midnight opening, a little below. So you could argue we could go. There was a lot of conviction to go higher. We're ultimized narrative, and then we get this. So it's fine. I'm happy. I'm proud that if I do get losses, I get in this way. And yeah, don't never always follow your rules. Always do what you're supposed to do. And if a loss does happen, it's okay. Don't matter. Don't panic. Yeah, there is tomorrow and keep going. So yeah, I was very brief. I didn't yap that much. So I hope you enjoyed and you understood something out of this trade recap. And yeah, again, join the Discord. We're always live, and we try to do our best, of course, to catch winning trades. So thank you very much for listening.